Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another TradingView update. Before we look at the charts today, I thought I'd share this image that I found on Twitter last night. It shows you quite a good overview of how prices have developed during each Bitcoin halving. That is to say, after every time the mining rewards are halved, which is something that happens in Bitcoin's mining environment. And you can see how the last 4 cycles have all led to huge price spikes at roughly the same point in the halving cycle. We're now getting to a critical point in this cycle, in the nearest one. And so it's important to keep kind of a big picture. If we see a replay or a repeat of what we saw the last 3 cycles, then these next few months are going to be exceptionally bullish, and we're going to see some pretty big price runs. Why the big picture? When we're talking about intraday corrections, moves lower, testing 42s, 38s, if this actually plays out, then these intraday moves are somewhat insignificant. And what the most important part could be, or potentially should be in your strategy, is just finding good entry points to top up on a regular basis and let the market do the work for you. So looking at Bitcoin, we haven't really moved anywhere from yesterday. We're still trading in sort of no man's land. I think when I made this update, we were essentially at exactly the same price as we were yesterday. We're still testing this upper trending support line, touching it, bouncing off, it's holding for now. On the short term, this 44K area is still an important level to hold, followed by the 42.5K, which is the level that we've identified over and over again. That's what we want to see hold for the move to continue higher. Price is currently sandwiched just below the 200-day moving average, which is acting as resistance. And it looks like for now, if Bitcoin price holds here, then I'd expect to see Ethereum hold the level that it's holding and alts to carry on pumping. There are a few more that we identified overnight. I mean, if you look at AVAX, Aave, they're both up like 30% overnight. So we're seeing this kind of move from Bitcoin to alts start to play out, where we had the initial Bitcoin run, the initial Ethereum run. And as they level off, top out, move sideways, test areas of support over a couple of days or a week, investors closing positions and moving down the altcoin chain, so to speak. And the smaller, or the majors are starting to pump, and then who knows, maybe we'll see, I expect to see the smaller altcoins pump as a result as well. So on the Ethereum side, before we finish, again, as opposed to Bitcoin, we've dropped through the resistance level or through the support level, upward trending, as well as the previous support level at 31.25. We came back up, we tried to break back in, but we couldn't find enough strength. So now moving sideways. I'd expect to see a test of 2,900 before we move higher, but doesn't necessarily have to be the case. In the short term, this low from the 13th of August is still acting as support. If that continues to hold, then we just need to wait for Bitcoin to move higher again for Ethereum to find some renewed strength and bring the entire market higher. Is there anything I've missed? I don't think so. No, that's it from us this morning. Have a good trading day.